Alcohols are those in which you are having a alpha carbon, a carbon which is directly attached to OH is further attached with one other carbon. So over here you are having the carbon which is directly attached to OH is having one spare valency which can be attached to further one other carbon. The point to be noted over here is when you go for the gender formula, you have to place R over here, and the examples are instead of using R, you have to put the methyl group, ethyl group depending upon the carbon atoms. So CH3OH is one of the simplest alcohol where R is composed of only one carbon atom. So it is methyl alcohol commonly. This is the common name. And when you go for its IUPAC name, simply you have to remove the E of methane with OL. That OL is representing that it belongs to alcoholic group. So methanol. Second is ethyl alcohol, ethanol. Now